Michelle from Pink and Main. Thanks so much for joining me today. It's the 1st of March, 2024, and it's time to share our new subscription products. I'm super excited about it being March. March is our birthday month or anniversary month, however you like to say it. And this year we are 10 years old. I started Pink and Main in 2014 in March. And I'm so excited to still be on this journey with you all. Thank you so much for your 10 years of support. In March of 2019, I started our monthly subscription kit, the Crafty Courtyard kits. So the Crafty Courtyard kits are turning 5 years old this year. It's super excited. I can't wait to share this jam-packed kit that we have for you this month with some extra special products in it just to celebrate it being our birthday for both Pink and Main 10 years and the Crafty Courtyard kit for 5. Yay! Happy birthday to us. Thanks again for all your support through the years. I hope you love the new subscription products this month. So let's go down to the table view and take a look and see what we have. We have 4 subscription items available at Pink and Main, and I'm going to start with the first one and kind of do them in order as they go through the month. So on the 5th of each month, we automatically charge for and ship out our foil subscription. It's been super popular. We love that you love to foil because it's so much fun. This month, we have a packet of our foilable panels, and we're giving you some fun colored toner sheets this month. Now, you know you use your negative foil pieces with these. So any pattern or design that you foil, you can then take your negative piece of foil that has that pattern in it, put it on here, and it will foil it, and then that pattern will show through the colors that are on the sheet. So these are the Color Spotlight foilable panels. You get 2 of each of 4 colors. So we've got this yellow going out into greens and teals. You see how it's kind of like a spotlight of color, and it gradiates from the center. We've got teal out to hot pink. We have kind of a peachy orange color that goes out to purple. And again, you get 2 each of these colors. And then we have that purple that kind of radiates out to orange on the outside. These are super beautiful. And I'll show you an example of one used here in just a moment. The foil subscription this month, you'll also get a packet of our foilables sheets. So our sheets are 8.5 by 5.5, so you can get a couple of card panels, or you can even use them for slimline, mini slimline, lots of different sizes of cards. These are the birthday backgrounds foilable sheets. So I always do like a birthday celebration theme in March because it's our birthday month. I'll show you the samples here in a moment. So there are 8 different patterns. You're going to get 1 sheet of each. So you'll get a full sheet of the party hats. I've just cut mine down to make a sample to show. We've got these really cute cupcakes. I love those. Look at this. It's little animal balloons. How fun is that? We've got a really fun plaid here. This is just a great multi-purpose background. I love the loopy borders. How fun is that? It's kind of like icing on a cake in a way. This also reminds me of frosting on a cake on like the sides of the cake. This scalloped borders here. So just some really fun backgrounds that you can use for birthdays and beyond, really. We've got these fun pennant banners. And then we've got a great little circle design, dashed or stitched lines. So lots of great patterns there, as I mentioned, that you can use for birthday backgrounds, or some of them can go for anything, really. Give you a variety there. Our foil this month that you're going to get, and I'll show you the roll is sitting there in just a second, is Sparkle Gold. So we're continuing our Sparkle series. We have Sparkle Pink, Sparkle Red, Sparkle Blue, Sparkle Orange, and now we have Sparkle Gold. It's got a beautiful sparkle and shine to it, kind of glitzy, glittery. It's got little stars in the pattern as well. So here's those party hats done in the Sparkles Gold. So hard to get the beauty of foiled images to come across on camera. And then I took one of our color toner sheets, the Color Spotlight, and I took my negative from the party hats and I foiled that. So as you can see there, if I hold it a certain way, you can see the teal in the middle radiating out to purple and then hot pink around the edges. So fun to use these negative foil pieces on the color toner sheets. And if you subscribe to our foil subscription this month, or if you're already a subscriber, you're going to get the beautiful Spotlight color foilables first before they're available to purchase. Our next two subscriptions are automatically charged each month and ship out on the 10th of the month. So the foil subscription goes out on the 5th. The stamp and die of the month go out on the 10th. This month is called Mice Birthday. Let me zoom in just a little bit here to show you these adorable mice. We've got one sitting on a cake. We've got some with presents. One is hanging by balloons. We have a couple little confetti icons that you can make a background with or stamp them around your images. We have a gift, a candle, a little party hat, and a smaller cake here. And some beautiful hand-lettered sentiments just for you. It's your special day. So if you subscribe to the stamp of the month, you'll get the 4x6 stamp set sent to you. If you subscribe to the stamp and die of the month, you'll get the stamp and the coordinating die sent to you each month. With all our subscriptions, you are able to skip a month. We allow you to do that, and you can cancel anytime. I forgot to show you the foil from the foil of the month, so I'm going to pull that out next. This is the Sparkle Gold that you'll get this month. And I think it's always good to have a nice variety of golds and silvers in your collection. They're just good colors to use on just about any project. So with the foil subscription, you're going to get a full roll. You get a full roll of the Sparkle Gold this month. And that's got 25 feet of foil on it. This is high quality toner reactive foil that we get from a US manufacturer. Okay, are you ready to see what's in the Crafty Courtyard kit this month? Like I said, I'm spoiling you a little bit. It's our birthday. It's the Crafty Courtyard kit birthday. So let's see what we've got. So right when you open your box, when you get it, you'll notice that everything except for the cardstock is packed in one of our mesh zippered bags. So you get a nice project bag each month. You're going to get a flyer that tells you everything that's in the kit, along with the color palette that's used. And on the back side, you're going to get some card sketches just to help you kind of jumpstart your creativity with the kit. And like I said, so many goodies this month. Let's start out with this one. So we have our Pick Up and Place tool. So if you subscribe to our Crafty Courtyard kits, you're the first one to get our Pick Up and Place tool. This is a $16 tool, and we are including it in your kit. So if you're in the US, the kit with shipping costs you $43.49. I want you, as I go through this video, just add up the value of what you're getting in this kit. So this month we've got our Pick Up and Place tool. Our tool comes with 2 wax tips that are replacements. So you already have the replacements. You don't have to buy them separately. So what it is we've got one end of the tool. So this tool has one end is a pokey tool. That's what I call it. It's very sharp at the end that can be used for lots of different things. And then the other end has a wax tip on it. Now this wax tip just screws out of here. You just unscrew it or screw it back in. That's how you do the replacements. You want to be very careful with the wax tip. It is just wax, so you don't want to bend or break it or press too hard with it. It takes a very light touch, and what the wax tip is for picking up your small embellishments. You stick it onto a sequin or a gem or a pearl that's loose, and it'll pick it up. The wax just kind of naturally sticks to it, picks it up, and then you can place it wherever you would like. So you want to be careful with your wax tips. They are delicate, but it'll last you a good long time. But like I said, our tool does come with 2 replacements. And the tool is beautiful rose gold. Next up, we have our sticky gems. These are, it's a special day sticky gems, so they match all the color palette of the kit. Just beautiful sparkly rhinestones that are self-adhesive. So as I mentioned, the little pokey tool, it can also help you to get your sticky gems off of the backing here. So you can pull it off. It'll stick to the little pokey end. I don't know if you can see the gem there on the end. And then you can just place it down on your paper and press it down. You can kind of move it around until you really stick it down. But that's one way you can use the pokey end of your pick up and place tool. We have a gorgeous sequin mix this month. I did it in all gold. So we have gold stars, gold confetti. We have a embossed gold circle in there. It all looks really pretty and just a nice classic gold look. Oh my goodness. You're also the first to get one of our brand new shaker covers. So this is the A2 size small shaker cover. Now we'll have other sizes come out later in the month with our release. So this is 3 3/4 by 5 inches when folded, and it's so simple to make shaker cards with these shaker covers, and I will do some videos with them soon. But each of your shaker covers come with a protective film. Because they're acetate, don't want to get them scratched up or anything. They come with a protective film on them. And this is another way that you can use this pokey tool. I always want to laugh when I say pokey tool. It just sounds funny. But that's what I call it. As I take and I kind of pierce that protective cover at the bottom here, and it pulls it right off. If you try, you can, peel it with your nail or your finger, but I find just piercing it with this pokey tool and pulling it off, it makes it so much easier. So in our packages of our shaker covers, you're going to get 10 shaker covers. Yes, 10 shaker covers. And these will retail for $10 when we come out with them regularly with our regular release. Super fun. I want to see all the shaker cards that you create with the new shaker covers. Okay. So excited about this as well. Check out this paper pad. This is called Colorful Ink Spots. It's in all the bright, cheerful colors of the kit this month. And you're not going to believe how this is so much fun. These look like those paint pour samples where they get all the little pockets of color. Look how fun these backgrounds are. You can also get some of these looks with alcohol inks. But look, you don't have to pull out the messy paints or the alcohol inks. They're just ready to go. Oh, look at the colors in this. There's 24 different patterns. 24 different patterns. You get 2 of each because they're double-sided. But just look at all these fun backgrounds. I love these. I just know you're going to have so much fun creating with these. Put a piece of this behind that shaker pocket and put those gold sequins inside. Oh my gosh, so gorgeous. Such colorful, bright and cheery designs. And I think we're going back through at this point, but I didn't keep up with what the first, look at that. Look at that deep color, it's so gorgeous. So I know you're gonna have lots of fun with this paper pad. Here is our stamp set this month. It's called Special Day. So we've got a little bouquet of balloons. We've got some fun little candles there. We've got a huge stack of gifts. So much fun. And this tall cake with like some fruit at the top. It's got sprinkles and icing. Just a really fun stamp set. Now, if you don't like to color images, don't be scared to use this stamp set. This would look great if you embossed it with some embossing powder. Just emboss it on some paper and let it stand for itself. The images are so fun. We've got the sentiment celebrate, happy birthday to you, and make a wish to go along with it. That's not all. You also get the coordinating dies for the stamp set. And included in the coordinating dies are dies for the sentiments as well. There's your stamp and die. And the stamp and die alone, if you bought them separately, is a $39 retail value. So already there you can see what a great value you get with the kit. So now let's look at the cardstock and the paper that's in the kit. So we're giving you 5 colors of our 100-pound colored cardstock. These are nice heavyweight cardstock milled in the US. You can use these as card bases. They're so nice. Or you can use them any way you want on your cards. We're also giving you a specialty sheet of paper this month. So instead of a dress shop cardstock, which is our hot pink, we're giving you this hot pink foiled paper. So that's really pretty. You could die cut that. You can do whatever you want with it to add a little extra sparkle and shine to your cards. You also get 2 sheets of 100-pound white cardstock. So thanks again for joining me today to take a closer look at our March 2024 subscription products. I hope you love them as much as we do. I can't wait to see what you create with yours. I'll be doing a video making some cards with this kit as soon as I can, so be on the lookout for that. You can find out more about our subscriptions on our website, pinkandmain.com. And until next time, my friends, keep living the creative life.